Good morning ma'am, my name is Aahana. I am from 60 and today I will show you the test for fat. We have peanuts, almonds, 2 butter papers, parchment and mortar. So first I will take the peanuts and put it and crush it. So here we have crushed the peanuts and now we will pour it into butter paper and now we will fold it and gently crush. So now we will open the butter paper, put the almonds on, and now you can see the oily patch. This shows that peanuts contain fat. You can do the same activity on almonds also. So now we will do the same activity on almonds. We will take 2 to 3 almonds, put it in the patch and crush it. So now the almonds crushed. Now we will put it on the butter, fold it and gently So as you can see, almond also contain a lot of fat. Thank you.